In this particular question, a projectile is thrown with a speed v at an angle theta with upward vertical. Now, its average velocity between the instances at which it crosses half of the maximum height that has to be found. So as v makes an angle theta with vertical, then its horizontal and vertical component of velocities are v cos theta is vertical component and v sin theta is horizontal component. Now it is asked the average velocity between the instances when it crosses half of the maximum height. So let at initial instant it was u1 and at final instant the velocity was u2. As it is in same horizontal level, let us assume this angle to be alpha, then the other angle will also be equal to alpha. In horizontal direction, its horizontal component of velocity is u1 cos alpha and vertical is u1 sin alpha, whereas for the other one it is u2 cos alpha in horizontal direction and u2 sin alpha in vertical direction but with a minus sign. And as we already know, for a projectile, its speed is same when it is at same horizontal level. So the magnitude of u1 and magnitude of u2 are same. So during this particular instant when height is half of the maximum height, we have u1 sin alpha and minus u1 sin alpha, that is they cancel within this particular time. So average velocity during this interval remains u1 cos alpha or u2 cos alpha, and as there is no acceleration in horizontal direction, it remains same as v sin theta. So the correct option is first one, which is v sin theta and is horizontal and in the plane of projection.